Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Earl, and I'm back with another beautiful tutorial for you guys. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I made this beautiful fascinator for a wonderful client of mine. And yeah, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking that big red subscribe button below this video and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click on the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload a new video, guys. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you like it. Kindly leave a very beautiful comment for me, guys, please. Share this video with all your family and friends, guys. Okay, let's get to the video. So the materials you'll be needing for this project is obviously a fascinator base. You could either mold one or you could buy one from the market. I bought this one from the market. This is called like a molded base. Then you'll need your plastic headband. You'll need your artificial flowers for decoration. You also need your boning for decoration purposes. You equally need a trimming that you could use in wrapping the boning, scissors, WOAH gum or candle wax, and then needle and thread if necessary. After you've gotten your materials in place, you'd want to then first of all determine where your base would be. Would you want it on the right side or the left side? So what I'm doing here, just trying to find out where I want that base to be, and after I found out, I just take my hot gun and apply a lot of glue on that position and press it down. You can equally use needle and thread to furthermore secure the base on the plastic headband. When you're done, all you have to do is determine how much boning you would need for the loop decoration on your fascinator hat. So with this loop design, you just do it according to your preference or according to your client's preference. So you kind of try to make it as big, as wide, or as small as you would want it. So I'm just trying to figure out how it's gonna look on the base and how I like it and how it is on the picture my client sent to me. And after I've gotten that measurement, I'll cut off the excess and then take my trimming and wrap up the boning. When wrapping the boning, you could make use of any glue of choice. You could make use of WOAH gum, E6000 glue, any glue of choice. But I decided to go with this hot gun because it's faster for me. And so that's just what I'm doing. I'm wrapping the trimming all around the boning, and I'll be doing this until I completely wrap up the boning that I cut out for this base. And as you can see, I'm done covering the whole boning, and I have equally closed up the beginning of the boning with the trimming also. Then all I'm going to do right now is determine where I want the placement to be. After I have gotten that, I'll take my needle and thread and tack it on the fascinator base. So I noticed that when I was tacking it, the boning was standing up, but that's why I had to tack some of the boning. In fact, you're going to see what I'm going to do later on, how I'm going to let it slip back on the fascinator base. Just like you see as I'm tacking it, it's standing up. So I'm going to later on tack the sides of the boning down to the fascinator base, and I'm using a matching thread so it doesn't show or it doesn't make the work messy. You could equally use a hot gun to just attach it on the fascinator base, but I decided to use a needle and thread. After doing that, I'm going to take my artificial flowers that is meant for decoration and also to cover up where I attach the boning. So it serves two purposes: to cover up where I attach the boning and also decorate my Fascinator. And my client needed it all black, guys. So I know most of you would ask, why is everything black? Yeah, my client just needed everything to be black. So that's how I'm going to place it. I'm just going to use it to cover up where I attach the boning. I'm going to be using my hot gun. I'm going to be setting the power at the highest level, so I know that it's not going to pull off. Like if you drag it, in fact now the flower go tear. So I'm going to do that and hold it until it dries up completely, and I know that yes, it has actually stayed very well. After that, I'll now do the same with the second flower, and then we'll get ready to see our beautiful Fascinator. It's as easy as ABC. Like there's no big deal about it, guys. If you watched up to this extent and you still not subscribed to my channel, please now, what are you waiting for, guys? Click on that big red subscribe button and subscribe to my family, guys. Join my family, guys. Don't forget to click on the bell button so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Give this video a huge thumbs up. Yes, give it a huge thumbs up because it encourages me to create more content like this. Oh my god, this is just amazing. This is just beautiful. So after doing this, all I'm going to do right now is, like I said earlier on, tack the sides of the boning so that it can slip well to the Fascinator base, just like you see me do. So but if you like it standing, you could actually leave it like that. Make sure to use a matching thread so that your client will not notice that you had to tack some parts of the Fascinator base. And voila, we are done, guys. Like it's as easy as ABC. Oh my god, you could create this Fascinator in less than an hour. This is just super duper beautiful. Oh my god, I can't wait for my client's feedback. I'm gonna tell you guys what she says about it. Yes, if she says, I know she's gonna love it. I know she's gonna love it because I love it. In fact, I'm gonna recreate one for myself. Oh my god, this is just too beautiful, guys. What do you guys think? Oh my god, I love it. It's simple, it's unique, and it's just amazing. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate you guys. See you all in my next video. Bye.